Hi, everybody. Today we have a super easy little sign that we are going to make for Christmas. That was me and my goofy husband. This piece came from Dollar Tree, and we were going to take out the insides. Now that tray underneath, I got some 90% off at Dollar General, and I shared some with friends, and I kept one for painting and cutting, and it's one of those things where you put by your door for winter, or summer for like mud, snow, put your shoes on it. We're going to take some of this ruby red metallic paint that I got from Menards. And this actually is really good stuff. I only had to use one coat. I used it on the high heels, if you've seen the Wizard of Oz video. It's such a pretty color. Excuse me. And please excuse my wrist if you see the damage. We had a rough night last night. With our boys, autism, sometimes aggression, We've been struggling with that. So please just excuse that and my scars. It's all good though. Now I have a ton of laminating sheets. So I'm like, man, I got to start using them for something. So this is what we're about to do, y'all. We're going to take a Christmas stencil that says it's the most wonderful time of the year. Now I'm going to trace this out because I wanted to get this ready before I actually put the stencil on. You know what I mean? This just makes life a little bit easier. So I'm just using my Sharpie and just tracing that out, and then we're going to cut it out. I know this is hard to see. I'm so sorry. I'm trying the best I can. That's why I put that glitter behind it. Now what I'm doing is just trying to line up my stencil because I just want the circle part, not the lines. I'm just going to have, it's the most wonderful time of year right there in the middle. And I'm going to tape this down because, sometimes these can be slippery. And sitting on laminate, sheets, I was like, oh yeah, it's probably going to be extra slippery now. So we're just going to reinforce this to make sure it doesn't move. Y'all, there's our little friend. We have been struggling with flies this summer. It's driving me bonkers. I wanted to keep this easy and cozy. So that's what I was going for. Easy and cozy. Something that's, would be super easy for y'all to recreate if you want to. And you can do it any colors or whatever you want. This is just ink, black chalk paint. And I have said this before, but I'll say it again. What I do is I get some paint, but I dab a lot of it off. Because if you do too much, you'll just have that smearing underneath when you lift your stencil. And I dab. I do not go side to side. See how I take paint off? And just dabbing. I don't rush this process. I take my time. I'm so sorry. I'm not been feeling too good. My voice is a mess. Just been a struggle this week. But it's all good. See, there we go. You can kind of see it. I know the house outline is kind of stinky right there, but sorry about that. Now we're going to take my Rust-Oleum glitter, iridescent clear, and we're going to dab all over that. And we're going to shimmer it up. Because in the end, I put like some little battery candles behind it. And with the glitter, the glow is so pretty. Wait till y'all see. I think you're going to love it. Y'all, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stick around. And also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. That really helps my channel to grow, and it shows YouTube, hey, people like this, let's share it more. I would really appreciate it. I know that was hard to see. I was trying to show y'all the glitter. And this is my Barely Art glue. I do not suggest using hot glue if you do try this, because I mean, I know you could put heat, on laminating sheets, but still, I don't know. I just thought this one might be cleaner. Because this will dry clear. It won't be clumpy. I thought this would be better. Then we're just going to take that little house piece we got, and we're just going to lay it on there. Like I said, y'all, this is so easy. And well, for me, it was cheap. I mean, I don't think laminating sheets are too expensive, but this project was definitely cheap. Now, the stencil, I will put a link for those in the description box below, because I got a set off of Amazon. Hold on, you're about to see it better when I lay it down. See, there you go. And here's some peppermints I got from Amazon. I will also put that link below in the description box in case y'all want some. Hopefully y'all don't think this is too simple. I really wish I would have had like green and white peppermints. I might have to get me some. I think that would have been super cute too. I'll have to see if they got those on Amazon. I never looked. We're just adding one on each of the little corners of the house. And here we go. See how quick and easy it was? Then I put like 3 little candles behind it so y'all can see the glow. You can kind of see the shimmer too. Look how pretty that is, y'all. Isn't that so cozy? I don't know. I feel like it's calming and cozy. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really appreciate all the support I've been getting. My channel is growing. It's making me so happy. I can't thank y'all enough. Here's me and my husband, my son Jackson in his little hot dog suit, Chandler, and Grayson. And we thank you guys. Bye.